Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another AMD RX 9070 updates. So it seems like AMD has confirmed the full specification of the Radeon RX 9070 series. Both Radeon RX 9070 cards will be launching next month and are equipped with the same Navi 48 GPU featuring 53.9 billion transistors across a 357mm die. Each SKU will have different specification. The 9070 XT will have a full configuration with 64 RDNA 4 compute units, 64 Ray Accelerator and 128 AI Accelerators. This card has 4090 Steam processors clocked at 2400 MHz game clock and up to 2970 MHz boost clock. AMD estimates single precision compute performance at 48.7 teraflops. The RX 9070 non-XT has 56 compute units, which also means 56 Ray Accelerators, 112 AI cores and 3584 Steam processors. This model has lower clocks of 2070 MHz game and 2540 MHz boost. AMD confirms that both cards will ship with 16GB DDR6 memory clocked at 20GB per second. Both cards use a 256-bit memory bus, providing a bandwidth of 640GB per second. It's worth noting that AMD confirmed 64 MB of 3rd Gen Infinity cache on both cards. But how this GPU compares to their previous gen, I have made the comparison sheet. So here is the data. Now if we compare these new Gen 9070 XT and non-XT variants of GPU against previous gen, we can see some interesting differences. But how will these translate into the real world performance? That time will tell when these GPUs are tested and results will be shared. But for now, on paper, old gen seems to take some points against the new ones. As you guys can see on the screen, RX 7900 XT pulls up in some of these specs like compute unit, Ray Accelerator, AI Accelerator, Steam processors, peak single precision and half precision throughput, texture and pixel fill rate, and AMD Infinity cache, but 2nd gen of course, and memory, but 7900 XT lags behind in gaming GPU clock, boost clock and peak int 8 and peak int 4 AI tops throughput, and the new PCI 5.0 times 16. Now I'm not sure whether these new 9070 and 9070 XT beats the old gen in gaming, but in terms of AI, now that's another story. Now if we talk about the pricing, as I record this video, there is a rumor that Micro Center lists Radeon RX 9070 XT starting at $699 and RX 9070 at $649. I doubt that these prices will be final, cause no way in hell the SSRX 9070 XT Prime costs over $1049 US, even if it's overcharged. But we can guess roughly what the prices will be, and if we look the ASRock Challenger RX 9070 card, it would cost around $649, while the RX 9070 XT Steel Legend at $699. But as usual, Challenger series cards are MSRP, so that is definitely closer. But again, let me remind you, take it as a rumor and not the AMD's final price.